Oak Harbor Public Schools never stops moving forward. 2 years ago, the school district partnered with Arizona State University to host a sustainability workshop assisting teachers to create school-specific goals around green initiatives. To say the workshop was a huge success would be an understatement. But all these successes led to one important question: what's next?
Together we developed this workshop on strategies for implementing sustainability district-wide. The first one was more about sustainability science and knowledge and how to implement projects in your classroom. And now this workshop is a little bit more about strategies that we can implement from the district level, getting it into schools and creating this culture of sustainability.
Now Arizona State University is working with the district's new garden teacher on special assignment, JODI CRIMMINS. She's been working with elementary schools to have an organized and consistent foundation for school gardens and sustainability.
It's been a way for us to go beyond just creating a project within our classroom to creating a movement or culture of sustainability within our district. And also to work on those partnerships so that we're not doing things alone. We're working together and we're reaching out to share resources.
The schools are now energized to do more around green projects in conjunction with school gardens, but more importantly focused on maintaining those wonderful practices that have been put into place over the last few years.
Every school has projects. Everybody is still maintaining some sense of sustainability. So we're better off than we were, but I think bringing ASG back and bringing Molly back just refocuses us and helps us, kind of reconnect with what our goals were to start with. We are making global, leaders out of our students.
This was really important for the Wells Fargo Regional Sustainability Teachers Academy to work directly with JODI and the Oak Harbor School District, because this is the first time that we've ever come back to a school or a place that we have been to before to do a workshop. So it's given us a real opportunity to look at what our program is going to look like in the future and be able to work with teachers and districts together with us to help form what the future of our program will look like.
At Oak Harbor Public Schools, we mean it when we say learning for life.